Hello Kitty booth at Mir Детство show in Moscow presented to its visitors the wide range of brands' licensed products available for sales in Russia. Russian and world manufacturers demonstrated to potential clients their samples of Hello Kitty products of different product categories. The booth was organized by Rio Licensing, Hello Kitty agent in Russia and CIS, with the support of Sanrio. Hello Kitty products already shown itself in the market, such as toys, stationery, souvenirs, hygiene products, kids footwear and others were presented to the attention of wholesalers and retailers, along with brand new product lines, which are not presented in retail yet, bijouterie and textile accessories collections, kids makeup, suitcases, underwear and swimwear.
Now is very new for us. It's the first season that we make presentation for Hello Kitty. In Italy, in our market, the presentation is good, and we are here to introduce this brand and our product in the Russian market.
Hello Kitty is one of the most popular girls' brand in Russia for kids and the teenager as well. Actually for all the girls. As we say, Hello Kitty is from 0 to 99 years old. Of course, our expectation is to see it grow, to see more product on the shelf, to see new product on the shelf, and to see more and more fans getting the product they want with Hello Kitty.
In the framework of the special masterclass, which took part during the 7th Russian Trade Forum, the key event of Mir Детство business program, Luka Bonecki from Sanrio Global Consumer Products and Roman Fedotov from Rio Licensing shared with the market participants Hello Kitty world's best retail experience. We are always glad to cooperate with retail. We are ready to work out special activities. Moreover, it's often free of charge for a retailer. But every time such activities are close to the hearts of young girls. Hello Kitty is a time-proved brand, and if you as a retailer like to use it in your stores, we will find a mutually beneficial way to do it and to gain great results. Large-scale and bright Hello Kitty booth attracted more than 160 representatives of wholesale and retail companies, which were already well acquainted with the brand and interested in the possibilities it provides. Retailers and distributors were readily exchanging their business cards to the Hello Kitty product catalog, thoroughly studied the presented range and negotiated with the licensees whose products they got interested in. The booth participants note that an idea to combine different manufacturers within one exposition justified itself. The products of the licensees participated at the booth raised interest not only of the retailers which are traditional for each licensee, but also the stores presenting interfacing products. This is the first time when licensees gathered together to demonstrate the seriousness of their intentions regarding the Russian market. We have a lot of plans for development. In particular, we are now focusing on making Hello Kitty a fashion brand in Russia, as it actually is in other countries. A practice of joint representation of licensed goods of different manufacturers is planned to be used in future to promote Hello Kitty products towards end consumers as well.